Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up to yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, right about now, my people, may I tell us, boy, some crazy things can happen out there, you know, people. Well, I'm not talking about no death now, my people, but I'm just talking to you now about crazy people. So, I have a video right now, my viewers and subscribers, so I'm going to share with you, and it's about a thing we're going over in a Trinidad, people. You understand? Trinidad and Tobago. Because you have this nice young couple people out on them date, you understand, on the Sunday, nice date and thing, chilling, relaxing. Don't know if it's their first date or their second or their third, people. You see it? Or 4, 5, 6, go much NEWLINK, me don't know. See it? But then this madman just appeared, my viewers and subscribers, and mash up everything. Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. So just look at this now, my people, because I tell us, yo, you have some crazy people out there, you know. No joke about it. Look at these people.
Mommy, why my house? Hey, wala mo! Hey! Move on there! Oh, this madman running people outside here. What the hell? Wala moving! He does running people.
Come here, say. One thing.
Yeah, move on there! I'm shaking. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell is that? I want to call the police. What the hell? They run the people from the dates. Oh my god.
Some of you as subscribers, but now I tell you, like, it's funny, but you know, see, especially at the part where them start scream out and ball up. But look at the man, you know, on a real level, we have to take the thing serious, people, because it could have been different, you know. See, nowadays we see how much things these mad people been going on with people, how much people let them take off, how much stone them a fling and a bust up man head and a kill people in a Jamaica. You understand? And the same thing, them a go to Jamaica, them a go out in other parts to people. So we have to really be careful of them. See? And this is a thing that just coming at them mids now, people with stick in a hand and something. The people them they are relaxed. I don't know if this spot under the trees where them normally relax and sleep. Because you know say madman, sometimes people they have some local spot where they go chill and relax now. And maybe this couple don't know about that because him not own nowhere no people. You understand? It's basically it's a park. Because if it look good, you can see other people don't decide relax and chillax to people. But him just decides, say, you know what, other spot here for me. And yes, so me come for, we don't have to go move, we don't have to go get up people. And that's what he did. Eh? All want to take up the people and bag. Oh my bird, oh my peach, just NEWLINK. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, but I'm so happy he never go the other way and turn more. You know what I mean? Maybe in that cause some problem I use it because I think and do something dangerous with it. I'm just happy he go that way there and they manage to just move, go somewhere else, and him just stand there and ball and scream like a sure. You understand? So, big up to the Selma people. You don't know, so they attacking boss there in full force, man. Giving strength, giving thanks in life as usual on a daily basis, and I more love my people and more respect. And just be safe out there, you know, and just continue to do the right thing because I know son always do the right thing, people. More love, more respect, and more blessings, man. Fully love, fully attack, you don't know. One attacking boss. Big up on the Selma people. Peace out every time. Blessings. Attack them NEWLINK.